Alright, so I've been talking with you guys about this price here, 29, where are we at? 29, 319.75. I mentioned it a couple times actually. But yeah, they managed to get there. If you want to read the chart with nothing on it, just come here. I did a video this morning. You're more than welcome to visit me over there. I'll teach you how to look at the chart with nothing on it. So they managed to get here. There they are. And of course, they came down to the range this morning in that video, doing all of that up and down. And they managed to get down there. And now they're up here. And so, yeah, they got there. Now we just need them to get above it. That's all. Need them to get above it. I doubted at first whether or not they would make it. That's all. I doubted that. And I was wrong. They made it. So now let's see if they can actually get up there. I'm gonna watch this just for a few minutes with you guys. I don't want to be before you long. I believe that yes, they may want to go above it. We got to see how the sellers want to act once they get above it. All right, let's just see what that turned into. They may start doing that cyclical stuff that they were doing this morning, wanting to swing a little bit, but hopefully that's not the case. I do believe that that's not what they want to do at this point. So I'm going to give it just a few moments here. I did owe it to you guys to come right back here once they get there at 29, 319.75. And let's just see how they're willing to respond. They already hit it directly and turned. That price is important. Again, it has nothing to do with support and resistance. You know, old resistance becoming support and all of that good stuff that most people believe. It's not really that. When I call prices, it's for a reason. Really simple stuff too. It's not complicated at all. There is a compact version to the Pro. I know you're looking over here, and so yeah, that Pro version of the time and sales is a compact version for it. If you don't remember what it looked like, I'll just point you at it just really quickly here. This one. All right, well, not that, but that one right there that was showing in the thumbnail is that one. I tried to include it here inside the scalp video as well. All right, so it's a compact version. There it is. All right, so you can put it on your right hand side. In my opinion, you can just watch the DTT column and do really well. All right, so if you're trying to time the market, just watch the DTT column and you should be fine. If you want to know your bar strength, how it's trading, you don't want you don't want them to fill up that ladder. You don't want them to fill up. I'm sorry, fill up that row. You don't. That's not fun. You saw them kind of do that off that bottom. They filled the whole row, but they're pretty aggressive from the top of the bar as well. So we just got to see, can they go ahead and push back through the low of this pink, well, magenta bar and keep going, or are they willing to turn it around? They got right to the trend target. They got right there, and then of course just lean back over. They're at the center of the trend. That's another update that was made on yesterday. That's at the line is right directly on top of the zone itself, but that's the center of the trend line there. Once they hit that trend target, I will go. All right, so once they hit the trend target or break the zone, either one, I will go. I'm not going to be before you long. I don't want to hold the video no more than what's necessary. Actually, no, I can't even do that. I'm at 3 minutes already. I try to make the videos right about 5 minutes so you don't have to sit and listen to me too long. Yeah, I kind of figured that they would end up with this kind of situation because it was really heavy on the DTT column there from above as well as below. So this is not shocking to me that they've managed to get compressed between the two for a moment. But it can't go that way the whole way. It has to be broken from some side or the other. Must take place. Here we go. Let's see which one do they plan to do here. I owe it to you to come right back here the moment that they got here and say, hey, I need to let them know they made it up there. All right, so we got one more minute here. One more minute. I'm going to watch this with you for one more minute, then I must go. Blue bars in the 10 range is very important. They're very important. They are very, very important. But at this moment, you can kind of clearly see what's happening. They're wanting to drive down in here. They're wanting to drive down in here. Those are the hash marks that I was using in earlier videos. All right, they were magenta and cyan, but now I just changed them to lighter green, lighter red. Kind of blend with the rest of the chart. All right, well, that's my time with you. I do wish you guys the best with your trading. Do take care.